Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you get notified of any future videos. Alright you guys, I'm super excited for today's video because I am going to test out all of the new products that I purchased on the Sephora sale. And let's do this. So I did fill in my brows and that is pretty much it. Actually no, I moisturized and I primed and that is that. So let's jump into foundation. I am so excited. This is the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. So it's supposed to be professional, performance, waterproof, and sweat resistant, custom build foundation, natural glow finish. So this is what the packaging looks like. Hopefully you guys can see it. I did pick mine up in the shade 3W, 3 Warm. I'm hoping that it matches me. So this is what the bottle actually looks like. I'm so excited. All right, let's get into it. So it comes in like a little dropper kind of thing. So I'm going to, I don't know, I'm debating on what brush I want to use. If I want to use this brush right here, or if I want to go in with my sponge. Maybe I'll do both. Alright, so I'll do this side right here. I don't know how many drops, but I think I'll start off with that. And we'll go in with this right here. So let's see. Ooh. Okay, so the shade looks pretty good. Look at that. It's very light. Very nice and lightweight. It definitely gave me coverage already. I mean, let's see. It says 3 ways to wear it is light nude coverage. Use your fingers and gently dab 1 layer of foundation and massage onto face. Medium coverage, apply 2 layers with a flat brush from the center of the face outwards. And full perfection coverage, use a round brush and apply up to 3 layers of foundation in a circular motion. So, I mean, from what I applied, it doesn't look that bad. I feel like this is like medium coverage, but it looks really nice. It looks very skin-like, which I don't mind. But let's see how this looks now. Okay. Looks good. I like it. And like I said, the shade matches me perfect. I like this a lot. So I'm going to do that much on the side just to start off. Do you see that? It looks good. See, like obviously right now, you can still see my freckles right here, but I'm going to add a little bit more and I should be good. But this side looks great. I actually really do like that. And I'm actually really impressed with the shade. The finish is beautiful. Alright you guys, so foundation is thumbs up for me. It looks so good. It feels good. The shade is perfect. Now for concealer, I'm going to be going in with the Forever Skin Correct in the shade 2N, which is neutral from Dior. This is what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see it. It says Dior creates Forever Skin Correct all-in-one extreme skincare and concealer. 24-hour of high perfection in a single sweep. This concealer hides under eye circles, localized redness, blemishes, and imperfections without settling into facial lines. For a flawless complexion from morning to night, 24-hour of concentrated skincare enriched with wild pansy extract for smooth, moisturized skin with a refined appearance. Signs of fatigue fade away. The quality of the complexion progressively improves. Multi-use concealer, foundation, contour cream, and brightener. I hope this one is nice underneath my eye and it's not super duper bright, you know what I mean? So hopefully I got the right shade. That's what I'm trying to say. So real quick, this is what the concealer looks like. It's so pretty, very luxurious looking. So we're going to go in with that. This is what the applicator looks like, in case you guys were curious. All right. So let's try it. Oh, I think it's gonna be a little too bright for me, but we're gonna make it work. It's okay. We're gonna make it work. Let me start off with one side first. I don't think you need that much, but I feel like I added too much, but that's okay. I am gonna be using my damp sponge for this. So let's see. Oh wow. Actually, this is not too bad, but I could definitely go for a 3N, which is originally the one I was going to grab. But this is not as bright as I thought. Actually, it is a little too bright, but that's okay. We're gonna work with it, and I'm just gonna exchange it for one shade up. Or, right? Yeah, it's 3N. I believe there's like another shade or two in between, but I'm gonna go and get 3N because this one is definitely too bright. I am gonna go in and apply just a little bit on the chin, a little bit on the forehead, and on the bridge of the nose. I'm gonna go in with my sponge and blend it out. But yeah, this is definitely a little too light. That's okay. We're gonna bronze up and we're gonna make this look even better though. Don't worry. Don't worry, we're gonna go in and fix it and make it look good for the, you know, for the video. It does blend out really nicely though, so I'm not mad at it. All right, so for the next product, this is the Patrick Ta. I'm so excited for this one, guys. This is the Major Sculpt Cream Contour and Powder Bronzer Duo. This one is in the shade She's Sculpted, and this one's medium. So real quick before I take it out, this is what it looks like. This is the packaging. That is the shade that I got, and this is what it looks like. You guys saw it in my last video. If you didn't, I mean, you're seeing it now. It's so pretty and luxurious. Oh my god, I love that. So good. It has a mirror. Oh my god. And this is the product. So right here you have the cream contour, and it has a little flap here, you see, and then here is the powder. So I'm really excited for that. All right, so I'm going to be grabbing this brush right here from BH Cosmetics. I'm going to be dipping it in the cream product from Patrick Ta. Let's see. Oh yes, let's see. I hope it looks good. Okay, this is what we have. Not terrible. It's definitely a lot cooler than what I thought, but duh, this is a sculpt, so duh, Debbie. But I did think it was going to be a little warmer, so let's see. I just don't like cool tones on me because it makes me look muddy. So let's see if we can make sure it doesn't look muddy. And all you need is really a little bit, because look at that. Okay. I'm gonna sculpt them cheeks. I'm sure the powder is gonna make it look even better though. So just do as you normally would, sculpt your face and do whatever you want to do, and then we'll hit it with some bronzer. You have to be like really precise when you use this. You don't want this to be super thick and super like high. You want it to be literally right there carving the cheekbone, like right there. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go in with the powder. This is the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. This one's in the shade Honey, and this is what it looks like. All right, I'm gonna open her up, and hopefully this works out for me. All right, so I'm gonna pour a little in here, and let's see how it works. Before I go in with the powder, I'm going to go in with my sponge, and I'm just going to go over the concealer and all the, you know, the creases and stuff, so I don't set any creases. I want to make sure I set the concealer but not any creases. So that is that. Now with my Real Technique setting brush, Just gonna grab some of the powder like that, and I'm just going to apply that right underneath. All right, I don't know. I'm gonna use my sponge instead. Okay, so yeah, no, I don't think the honey shade is for me. Look at that. What do you think? You think? I don't know. Tell me, what do you guys think? You think honey is for me? I'm leaving it like this because I am going to let that bake. And then I'm going to go in with some eyeshadow. I mean, I don't think honey is terrible, but it's not the best. I feel like I should stick to translucent. What do you guys think? Let me know. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the powder from the Patrick Ta. And I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics No. 3 brush. And let's see, I'm going to swipe a little. I'm going to use the mirror here. Ooh, I like the powder. Oh, I love the powder. Love it. That is what I like. There you go. This just brings more warmth back into the skin. I love it. This bronzer, like this powder, is perfect. I love it so much. And it's very, very light. Like, it's not heavy. Look at that. It looks very pretty. Look at that. It doesn't look muddy or anything. It's perfect. I'm going to add a little bit here. I feel like everything's starting to come together now. Oh, crap! I forgot to apply the blush. I'm scared to apply it right now. Should I apply it over the powder? Alright, you know what? We're going to do it. We're going to try. Let me wipe off the powder that I have underneath my eye. It is what it is. I'll go and add a little bit more when I go in with my brush. I mean, with my eyeshadow. So I'm just going to wipe this. Look at that. It looks good. I think the powder looks good now. Now that I have a little bit of bronzer. Everything looks so good. Like, look at everything so far. Before I go in with the blush. Because, you guys, I forgot to go in with the blush. So annoyed right now. Hopefully nothing messes up. I'm going to be very, very careful when going in with it. But you guys, look at this. Just look at everything. Everything looks beautiful. I'm totally obsessed with it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Alright, so real quick, I did show you guys in my last video when I showed you guys all of my, the haul. This is the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blush in the shade Joy. So this is what it looks like. And this is the blush itself. Look at that. It's gorgeous. I love it. It's so pretty. Alright. I'm so scared. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab a little bit and apply it on the back of my hand. I'm going to be grabbing my Kenzie brush right here. And this one's really good with cream products. So I'm just going to grab a little bit. I'm going to start going like this on the back of my hand. And oh my god, that's super duper pigmented. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to go in with my sponge and blend it out. Yeah, that's not working very well, but let's see. We can't let it sit for too long. That's what I just realized. I just messed up my makeup, you guys. Alright, you guys, so I was able to fix the blush. As you can see, I did go in with my sponge. That wasn't working, so I had to go back in with my foundation brush and just tap, tap, tap and blend it out very gentle because I didn't want to pick up any of the products that we already had there. I do like it. I think it's a really pretty shade. It's a super duper pigmented, so a very light amount is needed for it. And yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera, finish whatever I can, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so off camera I did do my eyes, I added some lashes, I put some highlight, and that is pretty much it, and a little mascara on the lower lashes. So now we're going to go on to the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner in the shade Hot Gossip, and I already tried this and I'm going to tell you, I love it. It's so good. This is what it looks like. And this is the shade. It's so pretty. Look at that. It's so pretty. Alright, so I'm just going to line my lips. And I just love the way it glides on so nicely. This definitely does stay in place. And when I wore it the last time, it stayed for like a really good amount of time. It stained my lips a little bit. So you see what I mean? Like it makes my it looks like my lips but better. You could definitely go in and darken it up more if you want, you know, to intensify it, but this shade is perfect. I don't even need lipstick. I'm just gonna apply a little lip gloss, and that is pretty much it for the lips. Look at that. And I'm also gonna go in with this. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade 0. This is what it looks like right here. And I've tried this already and I love it. I'm just going to apply a little bit of that on the waterline. This is so good, you guys. So creamy. Super duper black. And honestly, like the best black eyeliner. And I'm gonna go, I know I got the Sephora Micro Smooth Baked Powder in the shade medium, but I don't want to apply it because I'll apply just a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with this powder brush here, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit here and here. Oh wow. Okay, okay. It's not terrible. Wow. That looks really good. It looks super smooth. Wow. I didn't even apply too much. I just literally went boom boom and then boom 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 boom. But it looks really pretty. It looks really nice. I don't want to overdo it because I really like the rest of the you know, the makeup that I went in with. It looks really, really good, you guys. So alright, you guys, so this is the final look. Everything looks so pretty. This is a little close-up right here. Look at the skin, look at the makeup. Oh my god. Everything looks super flawless, super smooth. Also very skin-like. It's not cakey. Everything feels very lightweight. I feel like I don't have any makeup on, to be honest. It looks so good. The foundation,